Hello from Level 1 HVAC Services of New Hudson, Michigan. We are a commercial and industrial mechanical contractor specializing in the installation, maintenance, and repair of all types of heating, ventilation, and air conditioning equipment. Fully licensed, insured, and certified in all phases of mechanical installation and maintenance, we are committed to providing premium service with honesty and integrity. Customer satisfaction is our #1 goal. If you operate a business in Michigan, Ohio, or Indiana and are seeking HVAC work, visit our website to learn how Level 1 can be the answer to all of your commercial HVAC needs.